At the Elegant Duck, we install beautiful bathroom adaptations. We take out baths and we put in level access showers, and they're for anyone that's finding it difficult to get into the bath. We've designed our mallard bathroom to be fantastic looking. We can install it within 10 working days, and it usually takes 7 to 8 weeks from place of order to installation of bathroom. The mallard bathroom has been designed in collaboration with occupational therapists. It's a full bathroom adaptation. We take out the bath, we put in a level access shower, so it's always level access. We put new wallboard in, we put new flooring down, new electrics, new sanitary ware. It's a whole bathroom adaptation.
About a year ago, my wife Mary, out of the blue, had a stroke, a very severe stroke, and finished up in hospital for 9 months. To get her home, we needed to adapt the house for her needs. My wife was unable to get up the stairs, so we put a lift that came from through the roof into the wet room bathroom. In it has a toilet, so the wheelchair can move into the toilet for the transfer to be easy. It has a sink that's raised so my wife can go underneath it. But most importantly, it has a shower, so my wife can transfer to a commode and then sit underneath the shower and wash her hair every day and keep herself clean. So to be able to come back and still live a life that we want to live using the whole of the house, otherwise we might have only been able to use half the house. It's been just what we needed.
The Elegant Duck changed people's lives because we can get in really quickly, we can get out really quickly, and we look after people's homes. Our team have worked for us for many years. They are all employed by us. They will turn up to your home in clean, presentable uniform, in a clean, presentable van, and they'll look after your home as though it was theirs.
Sean is awesome. You know, he's the most amazing guy. He's been very good to me and helped introduce something that my family, we will never forget. Never forget.
Here at the Elegant Duck, we've seen firsthand how the transformations that we make to bathrooms can be life-changing for people. Whether it's sons and daughters or whether it's the people that are using them, it just gives peace of mind. We have a showroom in Basildon. Come down and have a look around the mallard bathroom. The sales staff down there will be very happy to speak to you, or you can telephone us, or we're all over social media.